Your latest Windows 11 update just re-enabled 5 settings that are slowing down your PC and leaking data. Let's fix them and stay until setting 5 because it's one trap that breaks driver stability on 90% of machines. So first go to the desktop and then press Windows and then I. This will open the settings menu. What we need to do right now is to go to the left, privacy and security, because you might be sharing diagnostic data on them again. Let's go to diagnostic and feedback and let's turn off that 10th optional diagnostic data. Now you're a lot more secure for sharing your data. Afterwards, you could even go and delete your diagnostic data if you wanted to do that. But now let's get back to privacy and security, and now let's strip tailored ads. First, go to recommendations and offers and turn off advertising ID. And then this one because it's tracking which apps you're opening. And then turn off personalized offers. Sharing tons of data is very bad, and that's why I recommend you check out NordVPN. I use it myself and they help you with this. It gives you a VPN and it enables you to be in another location and everybody who's tracking you is not annoying you with personalized ads and everything they're tracking. The link is like usual in the description. Now let's close this window because now we're going to open something else. If you didn't know it yet, Windows loves to enable things like OneDrive again, Teams and everything in startup. So what you're gonna need to do is to press Ctrl Shift and then Escape and it will open this menu. It's called the Task Manager. If you've never seen it, you can see everything running on your PC right now. What we need to do is probably open this window to read what we're opening, and then we're going to open startup apps. Because right here, there might be things enabled that are it's costing you so much performance. Let's turn it off. Click on status and then disable all these annoying things you see right here, because you don't need this unless you're using OneDrive, but I highly don't recommend it. After doing this, the boot times right above should be a lot faster to your PC. If you also see Teams or Edge, just remove them because it takes up so much performance when running in the background without your permission. Let's go and turn off another setting. What you need to do is to press Windows and I again. Let's go back to the settings and then left above or below we have Windows Update, because it has enabled something that's sharing over your network without your permission. Scroll down, then go to Advanced Options, and then right here we have Delivery Optimization. When you click on it, you can notice exactly what I mean. Allow downloads from other devices. If you turn this on, your device may stand apart if you previously downloaded Windows updates and apps to devices on your local network on the internet. We don't want this, so let's turn it off, because it will save you so much bandwidth when turning this off. It will run in the background without your permission. What I do highly recommend is that you always update it, so click all of these buttons because the latest updates are always the one that's stable. There's another setting we need to turn off right now, because when you restart your computer or shut it down, it's not completely reloading everything, the drivers and everything, and even hacking tools can still be running when your PC is off. So let's go to the settings and fix this one fix. What you need to do right now is Windows and then R and then type control.exe. This is very important because now we're going to open the control panel. Follow along with me so you don't miss any steps. Click on hardware and sound, this button right here. Then go to change what the power buttons do. And then right here, let's change settings that are currently unavailable. If you have the option right here called turn on fast startup, make sure to turn this off. It's super important. Let's say you're running a game and then you're pressing fast startup, you have it enabled, your drivers will still be loaded, the old ones, and if things are not working, it will not even fix itself while restarting. When you turn this off, it will be a little bit slow with boot, but it will be a lot better and safer Windows experience. By the way, I made something very special for you guys called the Ultimate USB stick. Right here, you can easily get Linux distros, macOS, programs like Hiren's Boot and other useful tools, and every single Windows you need, faster Windows, faster boot times, everything like that. It's in the link in the description and it's even free. Get the pack right now and you can experience the tech world like I do. These tools I use myself and I highly recommend that you do too. I'll see you in the next one. Thanks so much for watching. I will see you later.